I am thrilled to be part of Chabad's Bat Mitzvah Club. Chabad has helped me develop a sense of pride in my Jewish identity, a love for tradition, and a sense of connection to Israel. This is an experience that will surely stay with me for the rest of my life.
It's no secret that perhaps the most important battleground for the Jewish soul is on the college campus. Chabad has had a presence on campus at the University of Colorado in Boulder since 2005. During this time, we have seen the number of students involved in our outreach programming grow from 20 to over 500 each semester. Our secret weapon? The students themselves, who take a leadership role in organizing classes, social programming, Shabbatons, and many other events. You take a personality like our student board member, Perry Chernick, and you channel all of that passion, talent, and drive it into a leadership role where she inspires all her fellow students to get involved. She's been instrumental to our recent growth.
I was actually raised in Irvington, so my passion for Judaism began with my attendance at the Chabad Bat Mitzvah Club of the Rivertowns. That's where the seed was planted. And the more I learn and do, the more that seed continues to blossom and flourish into this rich and fruitful tree of Torah and Mitzvah. It's truly a great honor and a privilege for me to serve on the student board of the Chabad on Campus program.
This is an experience that will surely stay with me for the rest of my life.
Through its various youth and teen programs, catering to all ages, from cradle to college, Chabad is ensuring future generations of proud, committed, informed, and involved Jews. It is securing the promise of a brighter Jewish tomorrow.